Hi everyone, it's good to have you again on this channel. This is Market Formula. The market has really gained since the last time we left on this channel, so we have a lot of things to look at this morning. Come with me as we proceed. Let's start by looking at the performance for the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. In a week, the market has gained 0.35. In a month, the market's gained 5.95. In 3 months span, the market gained 10.17. 6 months span, the market's gained 36.3. In a year to date, the market's gained 38.58. Then in a year, the market, since this year, starting from January up till now, the market has gained 62.13. So the market has really performed well this year, 2023. So let's look at the technical indicator, the technical rating. We are told that the market is on a strong buy. So let's analyze the chart and see what we should expect. So I'll delete this. Let me delete this, my projection. The last time we checked on this channel, we were looking at this support zone, because I knew that this is going to be a very strong support zone, but I was thinking the market might dip into this lower part of this box that I have here, but the market didn't do that. The market just jumped up from here, and which is also a confluence of events. It is the midpoint of this trend line. The market found support on the midpoint of this trend line. There's the lower part, then this is the top of the channel, the low of the channel. So let me just draw Fibonacci and see the projection. Let's see how far this price can go. Let's see how far it can go. So drawing my Fibonacci from this level. From this level down here. Okay, we still have this level that we are looking at. So let's hope that the market will hit 2.618 extension, which is at 76,000 basis point. Let me put a mark there. Let's see if the market can get to that level. So let's check the monthly chart. It's always good to go from higher, then you step it down. Check the monthly chart, go down to the weekly, and of course I don't really check daily. The charts that I'm always checking every time I'm doing my analysis, I like to check either the monthly or the weekly. Daily for me is too noisy and we have a lot of gaps. I won't be able to read anything in the market. So this is November. This is October. October was an engulfing at this level. So that was why I put this box here, knowing that at this level, I expect market to go higher. So the market is pushing higher. Let's hope that it will hit 76,000 basis points. So I think that is all that I have to say concerning the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. So let's look at some stocks that I'm watching right now. I will start by looking at the sovereign insurance, sovereign trust insurance. Okay, sovereign trust insurance, what I'm expecting, I think the market is finding a low here, finding support at that level. So a buy at this level wouldn't be a bad idea. Let's see, drawing my Fibonacci from here. So you see we are currently at 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. This is a retracement. So if you can buy this level, and if market comes lower, we come and buy at 22 kobo for a average down. And mind you, there's a trend line at this point too, which can also hold price. But as it is, I have my orders around 30. I think I came in at 32 kobo. Yeah, I came in at 32 kobo. Let's see. If it doesn't do this, market will do something like this. We still come deeper, then maybe go like this. So that is for sovereign trust insurance. I'm looking at Unity Bank too. Unity Bank. Oh, Unity Bank is going already. I think I have my order around here, but it's going already. Let's analyze and see how far it can go from here. Suppose draw it the other way. So market found support at around 0.381 retracement. So if you can still get it around here, best price for this stock is around 94 kobo thereabout. If you can pick it at that level, that's fine. But I couldn't get that. So that is how it is. Dark communication. Dark communication. Wow, this dark communication too is picking up. Okay. So, oh my god, okay, it came so low. For dark communication, if you can still get this price, I don't think I want to buy at this level. I can get 21 kobo. 21 kobo then for a 50% retracement. For a 50% retracement. Okay, that's for dark communication. Then Royal Exchange. Okay, Royal Exchange. Or Royal Exchange. Let me draw my Fibonacci. Okay. Okay, found support at 0.3236. This is a very good price to come in at 49 kobo. Guinea Insurance. Guinea Insurance. Okay, Guinea Insurance is still good for me. I think I'll still look for this stock if I can get it. I have my orders at maybe 22 kobo. See? Okay. If I can get it today at 22 kobo, I'll buy Guinea Insurance at 22 kobo. I'll buy Guinea Insurance at 20 kobo. Let's now hope that the market goes this way. If I can get 50% retracement, then I come out at 31 kobo. Regency Alliance. Or Regency Alliance. Okay, Regency Alliance is finding support around 0.382. 0.382 retracement. So if you can get it at that level, let me delete all this hold analysis. Market did not obey that. So the new analysis will be something like this. If you can get it at 33 kobo, then let's see how market can get to this level. Okay, 3 kobo is good for agency and livestock feed. I remember this analysis when the price was still here. We were looking at a buy at around 83 kobo. But as it is now, this market did not really pull back, but went up higher from here. If you had bought around, let's say 9 naira zone, you can see to 2 naira, to 2, sorry, at 90 kobo rather. If you had bought at 90 kobo and you came out at, let's say, 2 naira, that's more than 100% gain. Come to think of it, if you had invested like, let's say, 100,000 naira in this stock now, by now you have your 200,000. And now you'll be having 200,000 in that stock. So the stock market is really, really, really a good place to be. It's a really good place to be. But let me see if I can still come into the stock. I won't buy this current price. I will not buy this current price. If I can get a retracement up to, let's say here, then we buy it back. So that is that for livestock feed. And the last on my list now is Champions Brewery. Champions Brewery. Oh, Champions Brewery is still very, very good. Still very, very good. Wow. This is mitigation. According to my analysis, this is mitigation because the market came down to test this zone. Okay. Let's see. You still have more room. We still have more room, so let me quickly drop a box there. This is my support zone. This is my support zone, and this is my resistance zone. If the market should close above any of those sides, then it will signify a bearish or a bullish move. As it is now, this zone, if the market on the weekly should close below here, then this becomes the high. Then I expect a sell-off if the market come as low as here. But as it is now, I think my best pick will build Champions Brewery. You can get Champions Brewery at maybe 3 naira, between 3 naira and 3 naira 30 kobo. This place is very, very good. Then we can now project that the market can go this way. Where's the 50% retracement? At least you should expect the market to get to somewhere here, which is 4 naira 40 kobo or somewhere here. But you can project higher to, this is my best pick, 5 naira. 5 naira. So from here, we hope that the market gets to 5 naira. So that will be all for this video. Until next time when we see again, I say enjoy your weekend.